Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk about how you need to set up your EIN to make it easier for you to get approved for credit lines, loans, and business credit cards. So whether you have employees or not, one of the first steps you want to take with your business is to set up your EIN number. It's free to get from irs.gov and seen as a big form of credibility with lenders and credit issuers. Now, just like you have a social security number, which is the number that the IRS uses to identify you as an individual in the United States, the IRS also uses your EIN to identify your business as being legitimate in the United States. So it's really a must-have. Now, your tax ID number is used for a lot of different things, including making it easy for you to open a bank account and also a necessity to start building initial business credit. You also want to make sure that anywhere you list your EIN that you're listing the right number, that it's congruent across all your listings, using the correct one to set up your bank account, for example, the correct one when you're applying for new credit. For more tips on building business credit, visit us online directly at creditsuite.com.